The next device we will cover is the MBX. The MBX was built as an advancement on the Max HD4 platform. The MBX sits in the X series. The X is for extreme performance. It supports gigabit LTE with category 18 modems. You can get up to 1.2 gigabits per second download per modem. The router is rated at 2.5 gigabits throughput, allowing for plenty of throughput on the networks of the future. The modems are swappable, so you can upgrade to the latest technologies without having to replace the whole router. 5G is also coming soon. We will have a Peplink Partner Business Update webinar on May the 27th, which will cover our 5G roadmap. The SIM injector is also compatible with the MBX, so installation of the MBX in a difficult to reach area is possible, while still maintaining easy access to the SIM cards. Let's have a look at some key features of this model. There is Wi-Fi as WAN. The cellular modems are upgradable. There are two SKUs for the CAT 18 model. Both have the same cellular modules. We'll cover a little bit more of this in the next page. So the category 18 MBX is now available. It's also available in an HD2 version. This is why the two SKUs for the category 18 version. We also have an HD6 MBX planned. Please note that the category 12 versions are shipped with the pedal antennas for both cellular and Wi-Fi, but with the category 18 versions, these are shipped with just the Wi-Fi pedal antennas. So if you want to test the unit out, please organise for some antennas with QMA connectors or QMA to SMA adapters. You've been warned. We also have antennas with SMA and QMA connectors available. A few questions on the MBX. The Ethernet interface speed, they are all gigabit Ethernet interfaces. The HD2 MBX is QMA. So let's have another mock question. In the Peplink range of products, which feature or features are unique to the MBX category 18? Okay, so we're getting quite a few different answers here. So the correct answer is B. The MBX is the only model we currently have with QMA connectors. A is incorrect because this model supports that throughput on each modem. C is incorrect because the model is 4x4. The category 12 and below model versions are 2x2. D is incorrect because this model has 802.380 PoE outputs, not AF. So this is a case study time. So AdLib was a client of mine before I joined Peplink. We did a like-for-like test with an HD4 LTE, category 4. That would have been the kind of high-spec router that would have been installed 3 or 4 years ago. We compared it to the latest at the time, this was done last summer, to a category 12 HD4 MBX. Our main aims were to compare category 4 versus category 12 and the HD4 versus the MBX. So the results speak to themselves. The category 4 version, we were able to get 33 megabits download and 38 upload. On the category 12 version, it was 151 download and 153 upload. So there was quite a jump in performance there. So this was using the same SIM cards, same location, same antennas. AdLib also has PepWave APs throughout the vessel for local Wi-Fi distribution. So to evaluate the MBX, it will meet the demanding connectivity requirements of your clients. The hardware is feature-rich and the unit is compact. It is the same size as the previous HD4. The price point is higher than the previous models we have covered, but you do get a lot more functionality. The ongoing costs are warranty and modem upgrades. Upgrading the modems to the latest technology is much more cost-effective than having to replace the whole router.